everyone, it's Molly. I'm doing my 5,000 subscriber giveaway tonight. It'll be running, the contest will be running for a week. So I'm just gonna do a little flip cup tonight. But I wanted to show you the paintings that I would be giving away. So it's either this wave or this wave. So check out the description below. The link to enter the contest will be down there. I'm using Gleam this time around so that I don't have to count hundreds of names and tally them up. So make sure you like the video. Let me know what you think. I'm thinking about doing a live video either this month or next month. So please, you guys, let me know if you would like me to do that, and if so, what you would like to see. The contest is going to run for about a week until the 14th at midnight. So you guys make sure to get your entries in, and hope you enjoy. So I'm just going to I just wanted to do something simple tonight, a little flip cup. And I actually had a mishap earlier. I spilled half the paint already, so I don't actually know how this is going to turn out because the paint's already selling up in the cup. So let me flip these over and then I'll tell you what I used. Whoops. I have a cobalt metallic, white, lime green, and a dioxazine violet. So these are some of the colors I've been working with on some other pours as well. So like I said, half my cup's here and half my cup was already there, so I don't know how this is gonna go. But you guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see, if you're having problems with anything. I try to respond as fast as possible, and I want to make it interactive, and I really look forward almost every day to seeing your guys' comments and talking with you. I've met some really cool people, so I'm really appreciative of that, and I just can't wait to see where this goes. So thank you all so much. Thank you, Stacy, as another supporter of me. All my links are down below. If you'd like to support me, I'll be sending her out a print. So Stacy, thank you so much. And ooh, look at these cells already. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over. Ooh, I got all the pretty colors there. Go for this one. Ooh, here's all my purple colors. So with my pouring medium, I used 1 drop of silicone in each of the colors, maybe like 2 drops dropped in a couple of colors, but look at those cells already. So I'm not gonna torch. I'm just gonna stretch and hope for the best, because I don't want my cells to get too stretched out. There's already a ton over here on this side, so, and I really like this side. All right, so let me get to moving here. I'm gonna go up first, get those to meet. I like how my cups came out different. So just back and forth, trying not to stretch them out too much. I'm gonna try to get back to the center before you bring it over. Little too many cells for me, for my liking, but the paint will do what it wants to do, huh? Okay, now I'm gonna bring it back to the center. Turn her around and go for the other side. I really like the color combination though. Are you guys helping me tilt this at home? Hope I'm gonna be able to make it. Let me just touch this right here, because I don't want to stretch this out too far. You know, I started out watching Julie and Karen, and these are all I used to do. And I hadn't done one in a while. Get that last little bit off of there. Oh, I don't want to stretch it too much. Get my paint to go off the side over there. Perfect. Okay. So my cells got a little bit stretched out on the ends. Let me move those down a little bit. That was actually the top, right? I don't want to mess with it too much. So let me take you down and I'll show you. Don't forget to comment, hit the button if you like. All right, so I actually really like it. I like the way that it kind of spreads out like that. And I love the color combination. You guys let me know what you think of the color combination. Okay. So, look at all those cells. Out of my flip cups at my last festival, the green ones were the ones that sold. My blue ones and the ones that I thought were beautiful, nobody got. So way too many cells for me, to my liking. I mean, I like it, but that's the look of the piece. I think it's really pretty. I'm trying to find some of those really cool cells like those. Look at that one. It's got a ton in there. That one. Super cool. So I'll list my pouring medium that I used and all that good stuff. That one corner I'm not super happy about, but overall, I like it. So you guys don't forget to look at the links below so that you can enter into the contest. All right. Thank you guys. Have a good night. Happy painting. Bye.